In this video, I will be showing you how to create glitch effects in Photoshop. It is easy and usable with pretty much any picture or text. If these steps do not work for you or if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments section below. First things first is to open Photoshop and grab your picture. You do not need a black background, but I am using one so the steps are easier for you to see. What I usually do right away is duplicate the layer you want to glitch. You will then have that duplicated layer above the original and change its opacity to about half. Then you can take that faded picture and move it in front or behind. This is one glitch effect. Another is to do the same step and go even further with it by changing up the colors. Selected on the faded layer, you will go up to Image, Adjustments and then Levels. From there you can change the dials however you wish. For normal glitch effects, I stay in RGB, so I will use primarily red, blue, yellow, or even green. Sometimes purple, too if you want. Any color you want, actually. You can keep adding on duplicated layers to add on more colors. Repeat the process until you get the desired result that you want. Next, I will show you how to do the same thing with text. First, you want to type out what you want. I am using a simple font for now, but there are many other fonts you can choose from. You can even download fonts that look like glitches. I have downloaded a few others, but a simple one is good to use for this example. You will type out whatever you want in whatever color you want, but I first do white. Then you will duplicate that type layer and change it to another color. I am sticking with the RGB glitch theme, so my colors will be red, blue, and yellow. Or you can use green if you wish. For each colored text you will change its opacity and move it in front or behind and/or the sides of the original text. Repeat this step for however many layers you wish to use until you are happy with the result. For another glitch effect, we will be going back to our glitched picture. You will pick any of the faded layers. It does not matter which one. Then with the marquee tool, you will make a shape over the picture, select the move tool and then move that piece wherever you please. You will repeat this step until you are happy with the result. The next effect is very simple. You will take the shape tool and make a very thin line. You can make this line whatever color you wish. When you are finished making however many lines you want, you can either keep them in front of the picture or put them behind. The next effect is a fun one, to me. You will select whichever layer you desire of the picture. Then you go to the Filter tab above, go to Stylize and then the Wind option. From there it will take you to a dialog box where you can choose your options from Wind, Blast, or Stagger, and if you want the wind to come from the right or left. Choose whichever option you desire and play with it from there. You can also use this on the text or any shape you want as well. For the last effect, you can pretty much guess if very easy to do. I merely grabbed a stock PNG picture of a VHS effect and overlaid it over our document. You can play around with effects, colors, and opacity with it from there just as we did before. Once again, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notifications for when I upload videos. Thank you for watching.